In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Gmail emails to your USB flash drive. This can be done very quick and easily. So what you need to do is open up your Gmail account. Now we can go ahead and save any of these emails that you want. You can save your whole inbox, a specific label, your starred emails, and so on. To do this, we need to go to Google and just type in here Google Takeout. Once you've done that, click on the first one. It should take you to Google Takeout. Just make sure that you are logged in to the correct email address on both windows. Once you're on the correct account, you need to click Deselect All because we don't need to download all of our data from that Google account. We just need to simply scroll down and find Mail. Once you've found Mail, go ahead and check it. You can then click here where it says All Mail Data Included. And if you want all mail, leave it on this one here, include all messages in mail. Just note, this download might take a while if you've got a lot of Gmail emails. I'm going to uncheck it just for the speed and quickness of the video, and I'm only going to download here my starred emails. You can go ahead and download whichever emails you need for your project or for your reason. Go ahead and then click OK. And then once you've got it selected, go to the bottom, click Next Step. And then here you can see destination. I like to keep this on send download link via email. I'm going to keep it on export once, .zip, and we can keep the file type on 2 GB. You can go ahead and make this bigger, but it says the output of your request might be delivered in multiple files. This really will depend on how big your email data is. Because mine is small, 2 GB is okay, we can click Create Export. As you can see now, Google is creating a copy of our data. This can take a long time, possibly hours or days. This will depend on how big your data is. You should also receive an email with a request for your data. Once this is finished, you will then get a final email saying your account data is ready to download. You can then click Manage Google Takeout Request. It will open in a new window. And you can then click on Download. That will then start the download and put your data into your Downloads folder on your computer. Now you need to go ahead and plug in your USB flash drive into your laptop or computer. Once you've done that, you can go and open up File Explorer. So if you right click on it and go to File Explorer, you can then scroll down and go to this PC. Here you should see your USB drive. What we'll do is we'll go into our Downloads folder first. We'll then right click on this Google Takeout. And we'll then go back into our USB drive and simply right click and paste it in. We then may want to right click and extract it because it is going to be a zip file. And there we go, we can now delete the zip file. Here is our data and it's going to be in a .mbox file. If you want to read and open this, you can watch the video which is on screen now. It basically shows you how you can read and open your data with Thunderbird, which will allow you to read and view your inbox and emails. Go to the bottom right, click on the arrow, and just make sure that you right click and eject your USB drive.